Notion databases can be viewed as a full page or inline next to other content, but what's the difference? Let's dive in. In this video, I'll show you how to create full page and inline databases, demonstrate how to toggle back and forth between the two, and explain what they're useful for. Let's use this sales CRM as an example. Right now it's in the sidebar as a top-level page. When you click here, you're taken straight to the full page view of this database. You can tell that it's a full page database because you can't add any new content above or below the table. The full page view can be helpful for more focused work and gives you easy access to all these menus at the top right. Whenever you use the New Page button and select one of these options from the database section, it'll default to the full page view. But let's say you wanted to streamline your sidebar a bit and nest the Sales CRM under the Sales Team top-level page. You can do this by dragging the CRM into the Sales Team page, like so. We're still in the full page view, but you can see that we're in a subpage now, thanks to these breadcrumbs at the top left. When we go to the Sales page, you'll see that the CRM was added as a subpage, just like all these other subpages. You could leave it like this, but what if you wanted to see the Sales CRM embedded directly on this page? Just hover over the subpage link, click the three-dot button that appears, and then turn into inline. You can do this for the other databases nested here too. You'll notice that the inline view is a bit more compact. The Properties, Filter, and Sort menus are tucked away in here. To rearrange, just grab the inline database using the six-dot icon, then click and drag, just like any other content block. This button will take you to the full page view again. It looks just like it did before. And you can use this Turn to Page button to remove the inline view entirely. Or, drag it back into your sidebar to always default to the full page view. Now we're back to where we started. When you're on an existing page like this one, you can use a slash command to quickly create a new database. Let's use /calendar. Both of these will create a new calendar subpage, but full page will add the calendar as a subpage link, like so. And inline will embed the calendar directly on the current page. Remember, you can toggle back and forth using the Turn into Inline and Turn to Page options. I hope this gives you even more options for using databases so they always fit the task at hand.